Put on, put on, put on. Put on your shoes. We're going out. Put on your shoes. We're going out. Take off. Take off. Take off. Take off your shoes before entering the house. Take off your shoes before entering the house. Take off your shoes at the door. Take off your shoes at the door. Break up. Break up. Break up. They broke up because they weren't happy together. They broke up because they weren't happy together. I broke up with Lucy 2 years ago. I broke up with Lucy 2 years ago. Put out. Put out. Put out. Firefighters are putting out the fire. Firefighters are putting out the fire. Look for. Look for. Look for. I'm looking for a job. I'm looking for a job. Who are you looking for? Who are you looking for? Look up. Look up. Look up. I don't know the meaning of this word. Let's look it up in the dictionary. I don't know the meaning of this word. Let's look it up in the dictionary. Look after. Look after. Don't worry about Lucy. She can look after herself. Don't worry about Lucy. She can look after herself. Turn on. Turn on. I can't reach the lights to turn them on. I can't reach the lights to turn them on. Turn off. Turn off. Turn off. Don't forget to turn off the lights when you go out. Don't forget to turn off the lights when you go out. Find out. Find out. Find out. How did you find out about the accident? How did you find out about the accident? Wake up. Wake up. Wake up. James often wakes up early. James often wakes up early. If you cry, you'll wake up your brother. If you cry, you'll wake up your brother. Get along. Get along. Get along. I get along well with most of my friends. I get along well with most of my friends. He doesn't get along with his daughter. He doesn't get along with his daughter. Fill out. Fill out. Or fill in. Fill in. Fill in. Please fill out this form in blue pen. Please fill out this form in blue pen. Fill up. Fill up. Fill up. I need to fill up the car. I need to fill up the car. Try on. Try on. Try on these shoes before you buy them. Try on these shoes before you buy them. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. The students stood up when the teacher walked into the class. The students stood up when the teacher walked into the class. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. I sat down on the sofa next to my father. I sat down on the sofa next to my father. Turn up. Turn up. Turn up. Please turn up the TV. I can't hear it well. Please turn up the TV. I can't hear it well. Turn down. Turn down. turn down. Could you please turn down your music? Could you please turn down your music? Come in. Come in. Come in and meet my new friend, Bob. Come in and meet my new friend, Bob. Go out. Go out. Go out. I'm going out tonight. I'm going out tonight. Get up. Get up. Get up. Please get me up at 7. Please get me up at 7. He got up and turned off the TV. He got up and turned off the TV. Call off. Call off. The flight was called off due to bad weather. The flight was called off due to bad weather. Pick up. Pick up. Pick up. I can't pick up the kettle. The handle is too hot. I can't pick up the kettle. The handle is too hot. Grow up. Grow up. Grow up. I grew up in Texas. I grew up in Texas. Fall down. Fall down. Fall down. I fell down the stairs this morning. I fell down the stairs this morning. Speak up. Speak up. Speak up. Could you speak up, please? Could you speak up, please? Pass out. Pass out. Pass out. I was hit on the head and passed out. I was hit on the head and passed out. Pass away. Pass away. Pass away. My grandfather passed away last week. My grandfather passed away last week. Get in. Get in. Get in the car. Get in the car. Get on. Get on. She got on the bus after me. She got on the bus after me. Get out. Get out. Get out of the car now. Get out of the car now. Get out of the car now. Get off. Get off. Get off. We need to get off the bus at the next stop. We need to get off the bus at the next stop. Look out. Look out. Look out. Look out. There's a car coming. Look out. There's a car coming. Tear up. Tear up. Tear up. My son tore up a $5 bill again. My son tore up a $5 bill again. Break down. Break down. Break down. My car broke down on the freeway. My car broke down on the freeway. Go back. Go back. It's cold outside. Let's go back home. It's cold outside. Let's go back home. Drop out. Drop out. Drop out. Drop out. He dropped out of college after his second year. He dropped out of college after his second year. Tidy up. Tidy up. Tidy up. Why didn't you tidy up your room? Why didn't you tidy up your room? Calm down. Calm down. Take a deep breath and calm down. Take a deep breath and calm down. Run out. Run out. Run out. We are running out of time. We are running out of time. Blow out. Blow out. Blow out. Blow out all the candles. Blow out all the candles. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on a minute. Be right back. Hold on a minute. Be right back. Carry on. Carry on. The game carried on despite the injury of 2 players. The game carried on despite the injury of 2 players. Slow down. Slow down. Slow down. Slow down, you two. You're walking too fast. Slow down, you two. You're walking too fast. Give up. Give up. Give up. I decided to give up smoking. I decided to give up smoking. Give up. Give up. You have no choice but to give up yourself to the police. You have no choice but to give up yourself to the police. Run into. Run into. Run into. I ran into an old friend at the gym yesterday. I ran into an old friend at the gym yesterday. Run into. Run into. He lost control of the car and ran into a tree. He lost control of the car and ran into a tree. Run away. Run away. Run away. Toby ran away from home at the age of 14. Toby ran away from home at the age of 14. They ran away together to get married. They ran away together to get married. Hang up. Hang up. Hang up. Mother is hanging up the clothes on the clothesline. Mother is hanging up the clothes on the clothesline. Hang up. Hang up. I need to say goodbye and hang up. I need to say goodbye and hang up. Work out. Work out. We can work out in the park if the gym is too crowded. We can work out in the park if the gym is too crowded.